Good evening, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. And on this channel, we're going to be talking about Slice the Pie. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you click on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. So Slice the Pie is a review site. Basically, you get paid to review. Okay, and they've added a couple of new things. So this is a review/update video on Slice the Pie. So we're going to go over what they've added. They have recently added surveys, and they have a kids section where you can review toys and nursery. Right now there's bonuses going on for the surveys and the kids. There's always bonuses going on for the surveys because Slice the Pie just added surveys, and they want to see how people actually respond. So surveys has been added to Slice the Pie now, and you do get disqualification points. You will get a point, like basically 1 cent, between 1 to 5 cents for disqualifying. And the kids, like I said, for bonuses, you guys will receive between 10 to 30 cents. Between 10 and 30 cents, around there somewhere. So this is where this area right here we're on is the review tab. Refer a friend is where you'll find your referral link if you want to refer your friends. This is where you'll find your profile. This bell here is where you receive notifications. So if Slice the Pie wants to update you on bonuses or let you know they're doing any updates, a red dot will appear here. You just click on it and it will take you to the notifications. Right here is your rating. Right now I'm at a 4-star rating. When you guys start, you will be at a 1-star rating. Once your reviews are more descriptive, this will go up and your rating will go higher. Right here's my balance. I have $1.20. Once you receive a minimum of $10, you'll be able to cash out. So let's say you guys have gotten to $10. When you get to $10, you're going to right click. You're going to right click, click on open in a new tab, and it's going to take you over here to this page here, where you will be able to make your withdrawal request. You guys will then type in $10. You will hit submit, and it will let you know your withdrawal is pending. Once it's done pending and they process it, it will be sent to your PayPal account. Slice the Pie pays out every Tuesday and every Friday. So make sure you guys have done your reviews and you've gotten the $10 before Tuesday and before Friday. So if you start working this on Slice the Pie on a Tuesday, and let's just say you missed the cash out on Friday, you can always cash out on Tuesday. So just keep that in mind when you guys are reviewing on the site. Also, you want to make sure your reviews are descriptive. You want to make sure that you're rating it correctly when you do rate it, because you have to rate it. Also, keep in mind that these songs that you're going to be listening to, if you choose to review music, these songs are by artists that are trying to get their music on the radio, and also they're trying to get a record deal. So your review really, really counts. It's important. Please make sure you guys are descriptive so you can help them out, because they're trying to get their stuff on the radio, and if your review is really good, you can help them do that. So for staying to the end of this video, I would like to show you guys your free gift. Okay, so here we are, and here's your free gift. In order to receive this free gift, you guys would need to enter your correct information in the form below. Tap on that Get Course button, and you will be receiving your free course. It will be sent to your email. Once you receive that email, you will then open it, click on the link in your email, and then once you do that, you will be taken to this page here. This is your step-by-step guide on your free Facebook Live Masterclass. And if you scroll down to the bottom here, you have a free bonus that you guys can take a look at as well. You can tap on the click here button to receive that free bonus. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Take care.